Hi everyone, I'm Mike from Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at 740 Carlisle Street, Unit 22. This wonderful condo is situated in a great area. It's just steps to shopping. There's 2 bedrooms, a full basement. It's been greatly updated. Come on in. Let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll see the updated kitchen with a lot of cabinet space. It's open to the dining and living areas with an electric fireplace. The primary bedroom is very bright with a 3-piece ensuite. The main level has an additional bedroom, a 4-piece bath, and a laundry room. The lower level has a supersized rec room, and a 2-piece bath. A great feature is the walkout to your covered porch.